Rainier Industries is a 122-year-old company that manufactures tents, awnings, shades, solar screens, and large format print displays. The Seattle, Washington-based company aims to grow at least 10% each year, and it relies on Epicor solutions to help achieve their growth goals. Rainier Industries stays current with each new software release from Epicor to ensure employees have the latest tools to run their business. They can take advantage of new functionality immediately and easily exchange ideas with other companies using Epicor ERP software. Most importantly, however, Rainier Industries understands it is easier to keep up than catch up.
If you're a couple versions behind, the work that it takes to make that leap, it requires a lot more time and resources. Whereas if we're just doing it on a regular basis, it becomes a kind of a core competency that we're good at, and we just stay up to date, and then there's no work and maintenance needed.
Says CFO Chris Inverso. Reducing the IT effort isn't the only benefit Epicor has brought to the organization.
We're always trying to speed up the quote-to-cash process.
Chris Inverso says,
and the first thing that Epicor gave us was, for the first time in one system, visibility to dollars as they flow throughout that cycle.
With improved visibility across the enterprise, Rainier Industries is positioned for growth.
If you don't have visibility to things, then it's really tough to know where any roadblocks are that are holding you back. But that's kind of just table stakes. That just gets you started.
He adds,
I think a lot of the reporting and just data visibility really helps us with growth too.
To learn more about how Epicor solutions can help bring visibility and growth to your business, visit epicor.com.